Asunsketti Jyväskylän linnanpuisto.
The date's the 9th of August 2021. We have Kiramo 5 here in Jyväskylä, Keski-Suomi, Finland. Another Kone with Sigma fixtures from 1999, and this is late 1999, turned 20 years old in 2019. Maybe finished in 2000, but it says 99 on the glasses also. Maybe it also finished in 1999.
Yeah.
5 floors. And the serial number is H69987. No, actually 7788.
Ah, yeah.
So this might also be early 1999.
Yeah.
We inspected it in 2023. Of course, it depends. It can also be late 1999.
Yeah.
As early 2000 also has those.
Yeah.
But it depends on the serial number.
Yeah.
We can maybe see it later.
Yeah, of
And
course.
then of course the information of the building. But since this is the red sigma, like the 7 segment,
Yeah.
it's more likely to be late early than 99.
Yeah.
And if we can find the bunker, if it says 1998 or 99.
Spektiit parkivaiset maintained Brazil.
Yeah.
Fortunately, most all letters are maintained by Kone here.
Yeah. This is an exception. To the first floor. And now also space for the 6th floor.
Yeah.
It has 5 floors. That's it. Thank you very much for watching. And please also have a look at those beautiful pictures they also put here.
That's